news is coming to Lovett. Lovett, money. This one, after the prophecy, he said this prophecy will be replayed on the day of your testimony. He finished organizing it. And his media team now programmed the testimony in order to showcase it. They now went and hired an idiot. They hired an idiot to come. But the state manager of the miracle is not my problem. Because if you want to, anybody that goes there, go there. Because the consequence is on that person, not me. But where my problem started was when the thing passed. When the testimony arrangement failed, the arranged testimony failed and failed woefully upon their head. It fell upon Ebuka's head because the people that caught the lady, to some degree, were not even enemies of Zion. It was the people that Lovett have issue with, because we have made our research. This Lovett had issue with some people, some two boys he was owing them, and they now saw him in Zion giving testimony of buying a house. So they were looking for him everywhere. They didn't see her. So they now got information that he was on that shop that day. They now ran to him and they wanted to disgrace her. They now came and said, were you not the one giving testimony you bought car and you are here? Look at you. Immediately the thing hit the internet. Ebuka came to the open heavens and said that it's two priests. That's where this current problem started. Two priests from the east. And I didn't care about the pastor he called. He said it's two priests from the east that arranged the woman to come. Hey. He's the enemies. The fact that they started playing the prophecy. He said that they were attacking it will look like real. Okay. The issue, who sent Lovett was the issue. They did not even allow anybody to breathe. They now declare it was a priest. It was a priest. Before you know it, another person who used to go to Zion, they call him Uncle Zion. That's on his page I saw. He now made a video and spotted at the Amaco glass something that looked like a priest who was walking. He said, hey, that Amaco have exposed it. That is a priest. They know the priest. They know the priest. They now the priests have exposed that they know the priest that normally go about with the sultan, and they know the way the back of his head is. That they have caught him. That they have been attacking them, and they were referring to Falambaka. Hey, the Spirit of God now rose me, told me to ask Ebuka, why are you wicked? Why are you wicked? Are you say you're a Catholic and you say you're a visioner. You couldn't even see the vision of this Soviet, and then you couldn't see the vision of who was against you, who sent the gear, and you are calling him back. Can Mbaka move around the street of Enugu State without pulling crowd? And that's the place where this thing is the opposite IMT, where crowd used to go. Hi, Jesus. I said, no, this is so painful. They have taken a priest as if we are stupid fools. And the major thing that Ebuka and the Zion ministry succeeded in doing to our people is that they, because of his claim of virginity, and I have not done this, I have not put mouth in me, I have not slept with a married woman, I have not touched any human being before. And he's indirectly, and that's why God has blessed him. He sleep his tone. He's indirectly mocking the priest because he's still making himself as a Catholic. That is because the Catholic Church is weak. That's why his ministry have grown, because the priests are not holy. So that's the image he created. And he's trying to perpetuate it and turn a priest into what? Turn priests into stupid fools that go about the street trying to pull him down. I now came out to boldly, and I couldn't bear it. The Holy Spirit now told me, this is the hour to conclude your research immediately and come up. Otherwise, all of you will go down. So I now came forward with a video. And other priests came forward with a write-up. Everybody, every priest was writing. And I came forward with a video saying, no, you stage manage the miracle in faith. Don't call us. Deal with it. You don't have problem. You have already taken the people. Don't come and destroy us. Don't come and make us look stupid for keeping quiet. It doesn't mean we are not men. We know the truth about you, but we don't want to disturb anybody.